Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, where we will be talking about first principle thinking, a powerful mental model that can change the way you think and approach problems. First principle thinking involves breaking down complex problems into their core components and questioning assumptions in order to understand the root cause of a problem. It is a method of reasoning that starts from the most fundamental concepts and works its way up, instead of relying on conventional wisdom or preconceived notion. By using it, you can gain a better understanding of the problem and find more effective solutions. This approach can be particularly useful when it comes to solving complex problems that have multiple interrelated parts. By breaking the problem down into smaller parts, you can gain a better understanding of each component and find more effective solutions. Elon Musk famously applied first principle thinking at SpaceX in developing the Falcon rocket. Musk and his team used first principle thinking to question the traditional approach to rocket design. Instead of simply accepting the status quo and building upon the existing designs, they broke down the problem of rocket design into its core components and started from scratch. This resulted in a completely new and more efficient design, which was ultimately used to launch the Falcon rocket. Now, let's see another example of how first principle thinking works in practice. For example, let's say you are trying to come up with a solution for reducing transportation costs. Conventional wisdom would say that you need to find ways to make vehicles more fuel efficient. But, with first principle thinking, you would start by asking the fundamental question: what is the root cause of transportation costs? From there, you might discover that the biggest expenses are not fuel costs, but rather the costs associated with building and maintaining the infrastructure required for transportation. Once you have identified the root cause, you can then explore various solutions that address it directly. For example, instead of focusing on fuel efficiency, you might want to invest in making public transport more accessible and affordable. It's important to note that first principle thinking takes practice, and it can be challenging to break away from conventional wisdom. But, the more you practice, the easier it becomes. To get started, try asking yourself the fundamental question: what is the root cause? Whenever you face a problem or decision. This will help you to start thinking in a more first principle way. By continuously asking questions and seeking new knowledge and perspectives, you can stay ahead of the curve and be at the forefront of your field. To summarize, first principle thinking is a powerful and effective way of approaching problems and making decisions. By breaking down complex problems, challenging assumptions, and continuously learning and growing, you can be more innovative, creative, and effective in everything you do. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. You can also check out our video on confirmation bias. If you'd like to learn more about mental models, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep growing.